Welcome to Hyderabadi Authentic Recipes. Today I'll show you authentic Hyderabadi recipe of Kaddu Ka Dalcha or bottle gourd and lentil sour curry. Here I've taken 1 kg bottle gourd or nearly 2 pounds. Cut them into 2 equal halves. Take one portion, discard its one end or the tail. Peel the skin. Cut vertically into 4 equal parts. Remove the very soft pulp. Cut each piece diagonally into diamond-shaped pieces. These pieces are nearly half a kg or nearly 1 pound in weight. Now we'll cut the tomatoes. I've taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them vertically into 4 equal parts. Remove its eye and slice them vertically. Now cut into smaller pieces. Through this method, tomatoes will be evenly cut. Take half a cup of tamarind amounting to 35 grams. Wash and remove its dirt. Add 1 cup water and soak for about 15 minutes. Slice 2 medium-sized onions. To a pressure cooker, add 250 grams or nearly half a pound big to medium pieces of mutton with bones. Add sliced onions, diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2.5 tablespoons oil, 3/4 cup water. Mix well, close the lid. Pressure cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 whistles till the mutton is half tenderized. When the pressure subsides, open the lid and cook till the water dries up and saute for about half a minute. Add bottle gourd. Saute till the oil separates. Add 1 cup water. Mix well, close the lid. Pressure cook for 1 or 2 whistles on medium flame. When the pressure subsides, open the lid. Bottle gourd looks tender. Now squeeze the tamarind thoroughly in the water for a thick consistency tamarind water. Add this water to the cooker and discard its pulp and seeds. Add half a liter of water, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon curry leaves. Mix well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes so that the raw smell of tamarind disappears. Meanwhile, add 3/4 cup Bengal gram or chana dal to another cooker. Add 1.5 cup water. Pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame and on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes till Bengal gram gets very tender. Mash thoroughly. Add 1/4 cup water and mash into a fine paste. To boiling water of bottle gourd and tamarind mix, add this Bengal gram paste. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon spices or garam masala powder, 4 small sticks of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, nearly 6 to 7 whole green chilies. Close the lid and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Serve with either Bagara Khana and Sem ki Phalli Gosht or with plain rice and any other dry curry or with fried mutton. Please keep watching our videos, do subscribe to our channel Hyderabadi Authentic Recipes and press the bell icon for notifications of our latest videos.